Hi, my name is Jose and I am part of the MuukTest team. MuukTest gives software engineering teams superpowers and enables them to ship fast with full quality. Today, I am going to show you some of our platform's great functionalities, including the ones that upskill non-coding resources to create test automation 20 times faster. On the dashboard, you can consult important data about the tests you ran, such as the number of tests created, the total executions, the past executions, failed executions, average duration of those executions, the executions run on the cloud, and tests generated by MuukTest. Test variations is another great functionality the platform has. MuukTest automatically designs and creates dozens of new automated tests applying testing techniques, automatically increasing the test coverage and finding defects before your customers do. Finally, you can easily integrate MuukTest with any CI provider and tools like Slack or Jira.